Yo guys, what's good? We are back again for another video. It is Monday, the first trade of the week, and we are taking a buy. I'm gonna explain my reason in the video. It's gonna be a quick video because this may be a cliffhanger, is all I'm saying. It may be a cliffhanger. So if you guys like this video, hit that like and subscribe. Like I said, I'm not going to stop till I get to the top. So hit that like and subscribe, like I said before, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so this is what we are clearly looking at right now. I took a buy here. The reason why I took a buy, let's go to the very start, the 4-hour time frame, just to understand why I took a buy. The reasoning, which when I see it now, it's not the best, but on the highest time frame, on the true bias is what we would like to call it, price decided to reject the 78.60% retracement to the 88.60% retracement due to the fact that the last previous monthly open price was there. It wasn't hit for about a whole month. The last previous monthly open price was not hit. So the reason why price came down here was essentially to come close or to touch the monthly open price. So what we could expect price to do in this situation is to come down to at least touch the monthly open price to give it that confirmation to continue pushing up. So yeah, price can come from here all the way back down, grab it from here, and then continue pushing up. But we're expecting price right now that since price is close to the monthly open price, it's considered already touching. And we're expecting prices just to continue going up. The reason on the 5-minute time frame why I took a buy is also because from this retracement, it retraced 78.60%. And the reason why I was waiting for this specifically, for price to come all the way down here for me to take a buy, is due to the fact that price grabbed this area right here. That line, that blue line, it's because there was a lot of liquidity just holding there. We could expect price to come all the way down to this area just below the 78.60% retracement due to the fact that there is still a 5-minute liquidity to be grabbed here before price pushing up. If price wants to push up today, if that's the probability to happen, there is a chance that price could grab the bottom blue line here before pushing up and continuing to the upside. That is why I think price is going to continue going up, and if price decides to invalidate me, I can consider the reason to be that I entered in too early. That is one. I should have waited till I was closer, better timing. The second reason is also it's Monday. Monday acts a bit differently. Third reason could possibly be as well, it just doesn't happen, because sometimes you can have all the strategies perfect. You have your strategy perfect, you can have your confluence perfect, and it will still fail. So for this situation, there's also no news on top of this, where news makes price volume higher and makes it react off certain areas better than no news. And today there is no news, I'm pretty sure. So we could expect price to not necessarily go with what we want due to the fact that there is no news. From knowing this, I still decided to take a buy because it was with my strategy, as it's in not too bad of an area. Grab liquidity, it's with the bias, that's like 3 confluences right there, and I decided to take a buy. I actually did come a bit late because I was at the shops, but when I checked my phone, price came back to the retrace at this area, so I took a buy practically at the area where I would have taken a buy anyway, and now I'm holding this, and it's specifically 8.2 pips due to the fact that the lowest liquidity that price possibly can grab is right here, which it did. And I remember from last trade, I'm pretty sure it was, price reversed the other way after 4 pips deviation from the liquidity grab, if that makes sense. So the reason why I have an 8.2 pip stop loss is because I wouldn't suspect price to essentially hit my stop loss and then move towards my direction. I would expect price to come close to my stop loss and then reject from that area if price still wants to come up at this certain price where I thought price to push up from, if that makes sense. So overall, today is a buy bias. It looks like price did grab the liquidity and then instantly rejected, but this also can be a fake out for price to continue pushing down. We have no clue, but we do expect the probabilities to be in our favor for price to be pushing up. The barriers where price could face rejection and continue pushing to the downside is this area right here, due to the fact that that's the daily and the weekly open price. This area right here, as that's just another liquidity grab. On top of that, it is tapping the 61.80% retracement to the 78.60% retracement, which is a good area to take a sell. So we can see a buy or a sell in this situation, depending on what time we're waiting for. But I do expect price to be more in a buy bias than a sell bias. If all this makes sense, guys, it's cool. We're going to leave this on a cliffhanger. You guys just tell me what you think is going to happen. I think price is going to continue pushing up. Because obviously, just with the probabilities at hand, I can still see price pushing down and pushing to the downside. Although I got in a good area, and I just do expect price to push up and continue pushing up due to the fact of what price has done during last week. Even though this is a new Monday, new week, new day, we could still expect price to continue on from what happened last week. So yeah, guys, that's all. Hope you guys like this video. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all for tomorrow. Let me know your answers in the comments. Peace.